Welcome to Wake Up Epic. Today is about choosing yourself and stillness. Our body-mind activation is inhale E. So we bring the index finger and thumbs together like exhale E. Right in the middle, bring it up as you inhale sharply. Again, all these body-mind dynamics are coming from Uzazu. I'm going to give them credit. Inhale E. Inhale E. One more. Now at its worst, inhale E is trauma. We're stuck. We're stuck with something that happened as it relates to our capacity to process it. We're surprised. Now that could be a delight. Yay, happy birthday! It could be something horrible. So in our body, it's a stuckness. Now at its best, let's iron that wrinkle out, it's a sense of stillness and clarity. We're connecting heaven and earth. Here we are with all our wonderful wounds and goodness and gifts and talents. Inhale E, here we go. So exhale completely. It's a yang body. Inhale E. Now try this like it's a growing flower that blossoms right in front of you. You smell the roses. Infinite patience. You're the observer. Anything could be happening around you. Lots of progress. Lots of goodness. Lots of badness. And you're present and aware. Can you continue to lengthen out this breath? Everywhere you've ever been stuck, traumatized, scared, will you now let that go? What's possible in the stillness that you're capable of? Last one. Inhale E. It's about choosing yourself. So when you're still, when you're present, you're connecting, you're bridging the gap. You always are. You're always connecting the dots. So let that ripple into your day today and impact what you notice about your own gifts and contribution and how you show up. Our moves for today have to do with stillness. So first, let's balance on your right leg. Lift your left leg, balance. One of the first key things that people notice is that this idea of balance is a myth. You're dynamically manipulating your sense of space, how you're oriented, what muscles are working at which points. Switch legs. So that idea that balance is somehow completely rigid and you just don't have to think about it anymore is a really laughable idea. To balance, actually, we have to be dynamically engaged. And maybe to feel balance, we actually need a little bit more left or a little bit more right. Because my knees are bow-legged, I've got some interesting muscular patterns and tensions that a lot of people don't have. A lot of people have muscular tensions and patterns I don't have. What's balance for you? What's choosing you? Okay, switch legs again. This time, take the floating leg out a little bit. Just let it float, but whatever out means to you, so the hips are open a bit, it's going to change the orientation, it's going to change the standing hip a bit. It's kind of like tree pose, but I'm asking you to float the foot. And notice, what does it take to balance, to be still? Are you collapsing? Are you trying to reach? Like, what's happening? What's your native default reaction here? Switch legs. Take the knee out a bit. Notice if this knee goes out further, or it's more gunky, or more mobile. What is it like? Are you breathing? Okay, very good. Put that leg down. Take your right leg out in front, your left leg back, just like you just took a big step, and raise your arms. So make this really easy. It's a ridiculously easy version of a Warrior One in a yoga class. Don't worry about alignment. Just be comfortable enough, and also be still. Now, what would happen if you added a desire to this? A desire to reach more consciousness, a desire to reach deeper into groundedness, to connect these two opposites. And then let everything be. Switch legs. Comfortable, a little bit of a challenge, and then arms up. Is there anything that's working too hard? What would you need to change to maintain a sense of balance and equanimity? Good. Come back to both feet together. Go legs wide. Legs wide. So just enough that you have to think about it. And let's take your arms out to the side, palms more or less up. If that's not happy for your shoulders, then just find another position. So again, reach in both directions. So you have to reach to your left and to your right. Reach down and out. Reach up through your head. What happens when you reach out in every direction? And imagine connecting all directions. Choose you. Bring it back to center. Great job. So every pose you make, however complicated, when you take the time to be both comfortable and to be aware, you'll always get so much more integration. And that is a huge piece of our progress. It's the self-care side of action, which we'll be doing more in tomorrow's practice. So let's take our minute now of silence for Wake Up Epic. Feet together, arms by your side, and today turn your palms forward. And then close your eyes and breathe. Open your eyes, move your body. Thanks for today's practice. Today was all about choosing yourself and stillness. Pay attention to where this shows up. You might notice where you haven't been choosing yourself, and you might find some new interesting ways to choose yourself. And what will that create for the contribution you're here for? Thanks for waking up epic. Thanks for being epic. I'll see you in tomorrow's practice.